Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Maleficent in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay. For the hairstyle guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it black for the first selection and also the second selection. Choose this hairstyle. Okay, and then you're going to put on this item from the VIP room and color it black, and this item as well, make it black for all the selection. Okay, and you can put on this hat, make it black. And then for the dress, you're going to choose the sleeves from the weathered rosette, and you're going to color it all black, and then choose this skirt or this dress, and then you're going to select toggle 4 for this one, and then you're going to make it black. Okay, and then you're going to put on the sleeves from the witch set and make it black, and then this corset. This is free, and you're going to make it all black. And the Sabrina Carpenter dress, make it all black. And this dress from the Withered Rosette, make it black. Okay, and then you're going to put on this cape, and you're going to make it all black. And this boots, make it all black. And then you're going to put on this wings, make it black. Okay, and again, I'm going to show you all the items. Okay, and this one. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Maleficent in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!